In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for Remove section to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it and let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, mine was successfully deleted. If you will ever wanna restore it though, just hold your display and tap on this section called Widgets. Now, you need to scroll to click on Google App over here. Scroll again to tap on search bar and select the blue button called Add. Once you add it, you can hold it, move it around to place it wherever you want to, and let go. Then tap on Home button or your screen. If you wanna resize your search bar, you can hold it, then hold one of those dots on the left or on the right and drag it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!